Let's learn how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. If you ever wanted to delete a Facebook profile from your device, after watching this video, you won't have that issue anymore. The first thing you need to do is open the Facebook app. Once you've opened Facebook, you will be on the home page. But you don't need to stay on that page. You need to go to the menu option, which is located in the bottom right corner. When you click on that option, a page with many options will open. If you want to see all the accounts you're logged into, you need to click on the arrow next to your name. But let's continue with deleting a profile from your device. Scroll to the bottom of the menu page, and there you will see the log out option. Click on that option, and you will be asked if you are sure you want to log out. If you want to continue, click the log out button. Once you've clicked log out, a page with your accounts will open. On that page, you need to click on the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on those three dots, a page will open where you need to click on the profile you want to remove. When you click on that profile, a page will open where you need to click on the Remove Profile button. Once you click that, you have successfully deleted that profile from your device. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.